Unlock the express lane to Telegram communities and content with a simple scan. Got a Telegram QR code you need to scan? It's easier than you think, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it. First things first, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the main chat screen, look for the magnifying glass icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that to open the search bar. Now, you'll see a search bar appear next to it. You should spot a small QR code icon. This is your gateway to scan, and give that QR code icon a tap. Your phone's camera will now activate. You'll see a frame or a target appear in the center of the screen. This is where you'll position the QR code. Simply hold your phone steady and align the QR code you want to scan within that frame. You don't need to take a picture. Just hold it there for a moment. Once Telegram recognizes the QR code, it will automatically identify what it's for. This could be a link to a bot, a group you can join, or even a contact. In this case, it's a group, and you'll see a prompt to join. Tap the button, and just like that, you're in. No more searching or typing out long usernames. This feature is a real time saver, streamlining how you connect with new Telegram communities and find interesting content. It's efficient, it's simple, and it makes your Telegram experience so much smoother. So next time you see a Telegram QR code, you know exactly what to do to dive right in.